Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to extract all the values. So here I have one category of product. So if I will select one product, it will extract all the items from that product from this raw data. VLOOKUP generally extract first value and XLOOKUP can extract first and last value and index and match can first and last. So on. So basically now we are going to extract all the values. We have two methods, two very simple method to extract the data, and you can see we have 1000 entry and here we have 10 products which we are going to extract. So let's begin. So we are going to extract from first method, that is very simple. If you are using Office 365, then this method can help you in very fastest manner. So how we can do that? For that I'm going to use filter function. See, this is not filter, this is filter function. So what I need to do, I need to use array. So whole bucket is array, and so include. So I want this data from this. So I need to search this from this list. So I need to select my product equals, so this one. Now if the cell would be, if the product would not be there, then what do you want? I don't want anything. So blanks, close the parentheses and enter, and you can see we are getting the products. So here we have 103 entries for this product. If we talk about the second one, we have 107. So we look up can do one entry, and this filter function can extract all the entries. Even you can use advanced filter. So now let's begin. If you are not using Office 365, then the method would be a little bit complex. We need to use offset function. So for that we need to use sort our data first. So I'm sorting, uh, sort and filter, sort A to Z, and I have sorted my data. Now I need to find out my initiation point for this product. See, this product is starting from, sorry, we are going to search here. So this product is at the 604th position. So we need to search for that position to find out this range. So we need to use match function. So lookup value is this, locket, comma, and lookup array is this one. Now locket, comma, match type 0. So this is at 605 position. And if we are going to use index, so this will provide the starting position for offset function. So array would be the same, locket, comma, and row number is this one, and column index would be 0. Close the parentheses and enter. So these two are not same. This is extracted from this list based on the position. So now point of initiation for offset would be the same, offset. Now the reference is point of initiation, and point of initiation is this. Now when we are talking about our rows, so how many rows do you want to switch whenever you are talking about uh, offset? So I don't need to switch my mouse. So I am keeping my mouse here since I don't want to switch, and so I am putting 0. And how many columns do you want to switch? I don't want to switch my columns. So now I need to count height. So how many products are there? How many line items are there? So I need to use countess for that. So criteria range is again same, locket, comma, and criteria is this. So I'm going to lock it. Now width, since here is the 5 column which we are extracting, so 5 is the width, and enter. And you can see I have extracted all the columns, 93, and here it is 107. So it is alternative, and keep enjoying and keep